There are hundreds and hundreds of local businesses that have a review automation problem, and it's probably costing them customers every single month. Some have terrible ratings, some haven't even received a new review in months, and others have dozens of unanswered one-star reviews sitting at the top of their Google profile. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I found these businesses, the simple GoHighLevel system I would build for them, and how I turn it into a $100 to $300 per month recurring client. And by the way, this is something a complete beginner could realistically copy. So here's why I like this offer. Most beginners think they need to sell websites, paid ads, SEO, or some complicated AI automation, but try explaining an advanced automation to a busy roofer or a dentist. Their eyes are gonna glaze over it immediately. Reviews are different. Every business owner understands that a competitor with 500 reviews will usually look more trustworthy than a business with 27. You don't have to teach them why reviews matter. You only need to show them the gap and present a simple way to close it. And because reviews need to come in consistently, this works much better as a recurring service than a one-time project. So this is the simple business model. We take local business owners, this is roofers, dentists, plumbers, salon owners, and we offer simple AI review automation systems. This is all done for you in GoHighLevel, exactly what I'm about to show you. And the last step is you can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per client per month. That way, you're not starting over every single month from $0, but you can consistently have a few $1,000s coming in every single month. This is anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per month, and it can grow dramatically from there. Now, a quick disclaimer, this is for people who are looking to actually work hard. You don't just win this by buying a lottery ticket. This takes consistent hard work. And so if you're not that person, you can click off of this video right now. It probably will not benefit you. But if you are, then keep watching because we'll get into the nitty gritty. And there's one important distinction here. I'm not going to pitch these businesses GoHighLevel reputation management software. Business owners don't want another dashboard. The offer is we help you consistently generate more Google reviews from real customers without your employees needing to remember to ask. It's much easier to understand that way. And that way we're selling the outcome and using GoHighLevel to deliver it. So let me show you how I find businesses that already need this. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up a new tab and search up Google Maps. You click on Google Maps here, and then you're going to type in a specific city and a specific niche. So you saw earlier, I'm going to type in Cleburne Plumbers, a city I've never heard of before, and it's a smaller one, but big enough to have dozens and dozens and dozens of plumbers, which is what I'm looking for. You can do this with roofers, HVAC companies, plumbers, dentists, med spas, auto detailing businesses, landscapers, almost any company that depends on local trust. But don't search every niche at once. Pick one so you recognize the patterns. For me, I'm looking for 5 things. Number 1 is a decent business with a weak review count. Number 2 is no recent reviews. And number 3 is a rating below nearby competitors. Number 4 is negative reviews with no business response. And number 5 is evidence that the company is active and can afford the service. So P&P Plumbing is a perfect example. This business has 18 reviews and their star rating is a 4.8. Now look at this competitor. Roto-Rooter Plumbing and Water Cleanup. They have over 300 reviews that are 4.9 star, and their last review was 2 months ago. Still not amazing. You want to have reviews coming in weekly. But at the end of the day, if I was personally living in Cleburne and I needed a plumber, I would choose Roto-Rooter Plumbing over P&P Plumbing. And that difference is the sales opportunity. I'm not contacting a business and inventing a problem. The problem's already visible. And so what you can go ahead and do if you want to contact Roto-Rooter Plumbing and Water Cleanup, if you wanted to add them to your CRM, all you got to do is just click on the share link and copy this link to the clipboard, and then come over to GoHighLevel. This is our review automation software. Click on Ask AI and then just type this. And so just write this simple prompt, use this Google Business Profile link to add a contact into this sub account, copy and paste that link, and all you do is you just hit enter and it'll go ahead and get to work for you and add that in. Once you have the contacts in your CRM, before contacting them, I'd create a short review audit. And this should just take a few minutes, not an hour. The audit only needs to show where the business currently stands, how its strongest competitor compares, whether new reviews are coming in consistently, whether negative reviews are being answered, and the simple system that you recommend. So here's the opening that I would use. Hey, I took a quick look at your Google profile and I noticed that you guys only have 18 reviews compared with your competitors over 300. You guys clearly do amazing work, but your online presence and reviews aren't showing that. And so I went ahead and I built a customized AI follow-up system specifically for your business that will automatically ask real customers for reviews after the job is completed without your staff having to do it manually. And that way we make it easy for every customer to leave a review. Notice that I'm not guaranteeing rankings or promising a specific number of reviews. I'm showing a real gap and offering a legitimate system to improve the process. And so the actual system is surprisingly simple. As you can see, our Ask AI has our contact created with all of the person's info. We can hit yes, create contact, and it is approved. After a customer completes a service or reaches the appropriate stage in the pipeline, they receive a personalized review request. If they don't respond, the system can send a polite follow-up. And so to create your SMS template, come down here to create new. You can choose from tons of pre-built templates. I'm just going to create from scratch. This message alone is pretty good. It should say, hey, first name, thank you for choosing our business. Would you mind sharing your experience? It only takes a moment and really helps our team. The link below makes it easy. And what's really cool about this system is you can send a personalized image with those texts to increase your response rates, or you can also add a custom image URL. This is using something like Nifty Images. We can go over that in another video, but essentially a picture of the company with that customer's name on that photo. This increases your review response and your message replies. So once you have this customized, you go ahead and hit save. And what this system will do is, number one, send the initial request. Number two is we want to have 1 or 2 respectful follow-ups. We can go ahead and follow up every 3 days, once a week, every 15 days, once a month, or custom. If they haven't responded within 3 days, that's when I would retry this. The next thing that this should have is the correct Google review link. And so you can go ahead and set the custom link in here. But what this will do is automatically include this link and embed this link into all of the text messages that are being sent out. Next thing that this will have is internal notifications. This is on your dashboard. You can go ahead and customize that dashboard for SMS review requests. And by the way, if you feel like you are getting a little lost here, everything that I'm talking about is linked in my school community. It's absolutely free for the time being, and coming soon is a 7-day challenge, essentially a step-by-step guide to set up your entire account, including my snapshots, my templates. If you want to set up a reputation management agency, an AI employee agency, meaning a receptionist, conversation AI, just an AI employee that can do everything on its own. And it also includes bonus modules like email and SMS marketing and paid ads. So if you haven't yet, make sure to click down below and join that school community. Like I said, it's absolutely free. And if you want to get free access to this software, to GoHighLevel, I have a 30-day free trial link in the description below and in the comments down below as well. It's a 30-day free trial, meaning you don't pay anything for 30 days. And a lot of people that I know will get their first customers within those first 30 days. That's the whole point of the 7-day challenge. And so my goal in that school community is to help you get your first client within those first 30 days, so that the software just pays for itself. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll get all this information to you. Anyways, back to the video. Once you have your reputation management system configured, I would show the business owner 3 things. Number 1 is the review gap between them and their competitor. Number 2 is the exact message their customer would receive. And number 3, the automation that sends it consistently. And then I would say something like, hey, you already have customers that love your work and are satisfied. The problem is that there isn't a reliable system for asking them for reviews. What I do is I install that and I manage that system for you, and it'll only cost $100 or $200 or $300, whatever you price your packages at. And that's the entire pitch. It's pretty easy. There are several ways to price this. For a beginner, I would keep it simple. You could charge anywhere from $300 to $500 per month. Some people charge a small setup fee. I believe in a great price for a great value. And so personally, for my reputation management company, I charge anywhere from $100 to $300 per month, and also offer a short free trial to reduce the business owner's risk. My goal is I want to show them how valuable my agency is and my services within those first 14 days. And so having onboarding happen quickly and getting their contact list and getting access to the customers that they've done jobs for that never had a chance to leave a review or were never asked to leave a review. And we're going to reach out to all of those customers so that we can get at least 10 to 15% of them to leave reviews. reviews. And then we're going to automatically reply to those reviews with Reviews AI. This has auto responses. Once you connect your customer's Google Business profile, you set up your reviews agent. So you basically can come over here and create an agent. I'm just going to use Claire Flair for now, and you can give her specific instructions, and you can select her tone, and then you can decide if you only want her to respond to reviews that are 4 stars and up, or 3 stars and below, or 2 and below. My personal recommendation is just have the agents respond to the 4 stars and above, and let the business owners deal with 3 stars or below. And so if you don't want to start cold calling, but you want to send cold emails, here's the type of email that I would send. It says something like, hey, I was looking at local plumbing companies in Cleburne and noticed your Google profile only has 18 reviews. And your last review was over a year ago. Sounds like you have happy customers and you're doing good work every single month, but your competitors are receiving reviews way more consistently. I put together a quick example of an automated follow-up system that could help. Would it be useful if I sent the 2-minute video? This 2-minute video is a simple screen record, kind of like what I'm doing here, and you basically just walk them through what the system looks like, and I can give you an example of what that looks like in my school community as well, if you think that would help. But that's it. I'm not going to send 5 paragraphs. I'm not pitching every feature. I'm asking permission to send something relevant that I already created for them. And if they say yes, I send the personalized audit and invite them to a short demo. Here's your challenge. Pick one niche, find 25 businesses with a visible review gap. Create one simple audit, and then send 20 personalized messages. Do not spend 3 weeks changing your logo or building the perfect agency website. Get the offer in front of real businesses and let the market give you feedback. If you want the templates I'm using, including the review audit, the outreach scripts, and the step-by-step reputation management training and complete setup, which includes my snapshots, my templates, literally everything almost done for you and downloaded into your GoHighLevel account. I'm putting everything inside of my school community. So you can find that link through the first link below. And if you'd like to try out GoHighLevel, I have that extended trial and my local AI agency launch kit linked below. Go ahead and try it out and make sure to join the school community as well. And last thing, finding prospects is only the beginning. The next step is building a review system that you can confidently demonstrate and sell. Make sure to subscribe down below, and I will show you in the next video how to build the entire thing inside GoHighLevel from start to finish. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.